Good morning. So last night or yesterday afternoon after the kids got home, I don't think I vlogged anything after they got home. Getting ready to start editing the vlog from yesterday, and I think it's going to have a pretty abrupt ending. But anyway, so today I'll be starting on orders, just getting right into work. It's very strange not having the kids home. And the mornings being available to work again. It's very strange because it hasn't been that way since March, so I don't even remember how it used to work. I don't remember a quiet house, you know, because it's been almost a year. So anyway, they are so happy though. I got messages from both their teachers last night, which their teachers are amazing. Both of them just saying that they did really good and that they were so happy that they came back to school, and we're just so lucky. We really like this school that they're at. So hopefully today I have a little more energy and just feel a little better than I did yesterday. So I'm gonna get this vlog up on YouTube and open our Advent and get to work. Okay, so as I'm editing this, those of you that have already watched the vlog from yesterday will know I had a hard time falling asleep, not last night but the night before, and I was up till 2 and I didn't feel tired, but in the vlog I can tell I'm tired and I keep talking nonsense and just like cutting it out. So yeah, it makes a difference how much sleep you get. So I'm gonna be completely honest. I'm having a really hard time coming up with ideas this week. I have little lists going through my phone. I have a couple notebooks that whenever an idea comes up for a charm, so I can look back on it later, but it feels like it's been so long since I did an update that I'm really struggling. Like it's kind of too late to do Halloween. I feel like I've done a lot of autumn. I keep kind of coming back to like a plaid, like buffalo plaid and like bears and beavers and moose and stuff, but I don't know, I'm really struggling. So now I'm like, since I'm struggling today with ideas, should I just go ahead and sculpt orders, which I usually don't sculpt orders till Wednesday. Whenever I have weekly updates, this isn't really an issue. My brain is constantly making things, and so each new idea kind of inspires another idea. But I just wanted to let you guys know, I get a lot of questions. It's like, how do you have all these ideas? Well, I don't always. I don't always. Not very often, but this week is one of those. So yeah, we're just gonna see what happens. Adam ended his stream early. He wants to go get lunch, so that's what we're gonna do, which is fine because I am hungry. So we'll probably go to the Mexican place. It's really the only place we go. We're home. We're home. Hi. Hi. Come here, Siri. Yeah. The guy's scared because it's raining. Yeah. They're so scared of storms. Aren't you? Sirky. Sirky. Siri. Come here. Come here. Come here, little one. Used a peg, a wooden peg, and I shaped the clay around it, and then I put the clay whipped cream on top and some stars and some glitter.
How'd you make this cupcake? How'd you make it?
I have a cupcake mold that I pushed the clay down into, and then I put the cupcake top on, and I use a toothbrush and texture it and put some shading on, and then the frosting.
Ow! How did you make this paint?
I cut the shape out of a flat piece of clay, and then I put the little dots on in color and added a face.
You made a little flat circle and
Oh,
put
yes.
the
Yep.
paint on.
Yep. What are you doing? What is Woody doing? Do you think he thinks that he's hiding?
Yeah.